Right now, something or things are living inside you, feeding off your body. That's how nature works. But if they're draining your energy, it's best to be rid of them. Parasites, silent, invisible invaders, are everywhere. They're in your water, your food, even the air you breathe. And you'll never know until now. So, this one's quite intense, but stick with me. It's about taking informed decisions. If you've been with us from the start, you know the pendulum's connection to the all-conscious, the universal consciousness, which is what enables us to access life's hidden truth. Catch the entire series to dive deeper. The link is in the description below. Today we're exploring a world that's closer than you may be comfortable with, the world inside you. In previous episodes, we covered the influence of emotions, environment, food, and lifestyle. And today, we will explore the very real but rather chilling reality of parasites. This episode will reveal how parasites can invade through water, food, skin, insects, air, pets, people, soil, your own habits, surfaces, injections, and more, and how dowsing can help you deal with them. Ready to face the truth? Let's begin. Parasites are micro or macroorganisms that feed off your body's tissues and fluids, your energy, your life. When they are contained in their environment, the viscera or gut, for the most part, they fulfill an essential life purpose, and all is well, so long as the balance is maintained. But when they break out of that context, problems can begin. There are many ways for them to enter our bodies, such as through contaminated water, like protozoa in streams, and even tap water. They hide in food, like roundworm eggs, or unwashed lettuce or amoeba cysts, from a dirty kitchen or fingernails. They burrow through your skin, like deadly schistosomes in tropical waters. Insects, like ticks, mosquitoes, or fleas, carry them, transmitting diseases like malaria or Lyme. They float in the air as viruses or fungi, infecting you with a single breath. Pets, even your beloved dog, can spread tapeworm eggs through their fur. People pass them through close contact or poor hygiene, as in restaurants. The soil harbors hookworm larvae, waiting for bare feet. Your own habits, licking fingers or scratching, can reinfect you. Surfaces, no matter how clean, carry threats, unless they're copper, which kills microbes fast. Even injections, from shared needles to medical treatments, can introduce them. Parasites are survivors, just like us, and they're fighting to stay alive. But pendulum dowsing gives us the edge to detect and counter them. Consider this as a wake-up call to awareness of this threat and how to recognize it with precision. Parasites can drain your energy, disrupt your life, and far worse, cause fatality. Dowsing empowers you to ask the right questions and take sensible decisions. So, time for the fun part, the demonstration. Here's how it might work. The pendulum is a bridge between your rational assessment, expressed as a question, and the all-conscious awareness, providing the answers we can then use to reach the right decisions. This chart concerns parasites and the possible entry points we just discussed. I'll ask 5 questions, letting the pendulum guide us. So, take your pendulum or rods and follow along at home. Is there a parasitic influence in my body right now? Yes. Okay. Let's dig a bit deeper. What is the source? Food. Interesting. Was it something I ate this week? Like meat from a restaurant? Yes. Okay, so I got a feeling I know who the culprit is. Was it undercooked? Yes. I'll have to specify that I need it cooked really well next time. How significantly has this affected my health on a scale of 1 to 100? 30. Well, I better do something about it now then. That was 5 questions, and we've pinpointed a potential issue and a solution. Parasites are fighters just like us. But dowsing gives us the edge to protect ourselves and our families. Studies suggest that up to 60% of people may carry parasites without knowing, so awareness is everything. This isn't about fear, it's about empowerment, and it's why I love sharing this practice. Ready to give it a try? Download our free Key Parasite Detection Chart. Link in the description below. It covers all 12 categories we explored today, from water to injections. Want to explore deeper? Visit www.radiesthesia.online for our Pendulum Dowsing courses. Now 50% off with coupon code INTRO50. Take your pendulum, start exploring your questions, and don't hesitate to reach out if you run into challenges with your pendulum dowsing methods, or have anything you'd like to discuss in this episode. I read every comment and would love to hear from you. If you're enjoying this series, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and join us for episode 6, where we'll dive into how people's influences can affect your well-being. Keep dowsing, keep exploring. We'll see you soon.